friends, we are going to work on lesson 9.2 right now, describe circles. You are going to need a paper clip for this lesson. So if you don't have one, just pause the video, go get one, and come right back. Here we're going to use our finger to trace around the circle. We're going to talk about the curve and trace around the curve. So just with your finger, here we have the word curve. There's our little inchworm. You're going to trace around the circle with your finger. Very nice. And let's turn the page. Here on question number 1, it says use your finger to trace around the circle. Trace the curve around the circle. So first we'll use our finger, then we'll use our pencil. So I want you to start at the top again of the purple circle and just use your finger to trace around it. You can see here at the bottom it says the word circle. Now I want you to pick up your pencil and let's trace around this circle with our pencil. Very nice. Question number 2, color the object that is shaped like a circle. So we're going to look at each of these pictures and see which one's the circle. We have a picture frame here, that's a square. I'm going to skip over the clock for now. Here we have the yield sign. You'll see that when you're out driving around with your families. That's a triangle. And here we have a clock and it is shaped like a circle. So I'm just going to color over that real quick. Very nice. All right, let's go to the next page. This is the page where you're going to need your paper clip. It can be a little tricky, so just make sure you're listening to the directions. It says use a pencil to hold one end of the paper clip on one of the dots in the center of the page. Place another pencil on the other end. Move the pencil around to draw the circle. So this is what you can do. You're going to use your pencil and you're going to have your paper clip on the dot there. You'll put your pencil there. And then you're going to use your other pencil to make the circle. Now you don't want to go towards your hand because you'll run right into that. So you're going to have to hold the pencil just right. And when you trace around, you're going to trace away from your hand first, and then it almost makes a perfect circle. It might be a little funny there, but that's okay. So I want you to try and make 4 or 5 of these circles. And yours might be a little easier because you'll have 2 pencils. I have to use a whiteboard marker for one of mine, so it gets a little funny down at the bottom. And try and make one more right here. So you want your circle to go counterclockwise on here. Very nice. So you make 4 or 5 of them on there. All right, let's turn to the last page of this lesson. And I see Scout there, and there's a riddle down here at the bottom. It says, I have a curve. What shape am I? Draw the shape. Tell a friend the name of the shape. So I have a curve. What shape am I? Well, we just learned a circle has a curve. So that is the name, or that is the shape that we're looking for. So I'm going to draw a circle right there with my pencil, and then I'm going to write the word circle underneath it. Great job, friends.